Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maths Phobia. Okay, we're still on circle geometry, so let's quickly dive into this. We don't have time to waste. Follow me. Now we have this question. It's not drawn into scale, so just use a rough sketch. Okay, so we have MNPQ is a circle. Okay, then center O. The center is O. MN equals NP from what we have here. MN equals NP, showing that it's an isosceles triangle. Alright? Now, what else do we have? So we are told that OMN is 50, OMN, this side is 50 degrees, and then we have find MNP and POQ. So let's MNP, so let's call it X, so that will be easy for us. And POQ, let's call it Y. Now let's start. Don't forget, we don't have much. The only condition we have given to us in the question is that an isosceles triangle is present. Okay, now that's the only thing. So let's work with circle theorems. You work more with circle theorems than conditions, depending on the question. All right, now we have a center question here. And we also remember, we also have a cyclic quadrilateral in this question. MNPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and I've told us what a cyclic quadrilateral is. A four-sided figure inscribed in a circle such that the four edges touches the circumference of the circle. Okay, now, then we also have the angle formed in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Another theorem. Angle formed in a semicircle. We have this diameter here. We have this line. We have this line. So meaning the angle formed here is 90 degrees. Now, where do we start from? Okay. Now, here is 50. Meaning that this whole side, opposite side of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. They sum up to 180. It means this side, NPQ, follow me, is going to be 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. And that will be what? 130 degrees. So this side is 130. Now the whole of this side is 130. And just this side is 90 degrees. Meaning this small side will be what? 130 minus 90. And that will be what? 40 degrees. Follow me. This whole side is 180 minus 50 because both of them sum up to 180. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Another theorem. So if this side gives us 130, 180 minus 50, everything here gives us 130. And this side is 90. That means this small side should be 130 minus 90, which should give us 40. And here is 40. Just what? It's like a pattern, a progression. Just follow me. If this side is 40, because this is an isosceles triangle, it means this small side will also be what? 40 degrees. Isosceles triangle. Now, then we can get this. Sum of angles in a triangle. 40 plus 40 plus x. So we have 40 degrees plus 40 degrees plus x. 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. So that x becomes 180 degrees minus 40 plus 40, 80 degrees. And x becomes 100 degrees. So our MNP is what? 100 degrees. Now, quickly, we are done with MNP. POQ. How do we find POQ? Very simple, don't forget. Come back here. This whole side is 50. If this small side is 40, what does that tell you? This side is what? 50 minus 40, and that is 10 degrees. And because OM is a radius, and OP is a radius, can you see? Another trick. OM is a radius, and is equals to OP, which is also another radius. What does that tell us? It means if here is 10, this small side also will be 10 degrees. So looking at triangle OMP, triangle OMP is also what? Isosceles. Isosceles. So how do we get this side? We can get y in two ways. We can find this side, get the answer, then subtract from 180 since it's a straight line to get y. Or we can apply that same theorem, the theorem that states that the sum of opposite angles in a triangle, the sum of interior opposite angles in a triangle is equals to the exterior angle. So let's try both methods and let's see that we get the same answer. So from here, 10 plus 10 is 20. 180 minus 20 will give us 160 degree on this side. And then if there is 160 degree, angle on a straight line, 180 minus 160 degree. That will give us what? 20 degree. So POQ is 20 degree, MNP 100 degree. Another way to get Y is this. 10 plus 10, 20 degrees. Sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle will give us the exterior angle. Please like, share, and follow for more videos on circle geometry as we simplify learning and makes it easy for students to understand and stop running away from. Thank you very much.